Hello and welcome to the Predicted Trades family. Here we focus on day trading short-term stock options, typically same day expiration, same week expiration, and the following week expiration. I want to start off by saying that if you are looking for a new trading group that just calls out trades all day, we are not the group for you. We are very strong advocates that if you do not understand another person's trade, you have no business managing that trade either. But now that we got that out of the way, we can move on to the secret sauce and what actually sets us apart from the other million trading groups out there. Here at Predicted Trades, we actually sell a product. We have a proprietary price prediction system for options as well as equity now. So here you're looking at our product. This is what we call our beast system and our beast levels. On these three charts, I only have this one study loaded. Oh, and by the way, here at Predicted Trades, we exclusively code everything into Thinkorswim for right now. So it would greatly benefit you that if you do stick around here to download and get familiar with Thinkorswim. But anyway, so here we have a SPY in the middle and a call on the left and a put on the right. And we're going to start with this past Thursday. So we'll just go through this real quickly. We have other videos that go into very deep detail about this system. So I'm just going to run through it real quick. So typically we always have open our equity, a call, and a put. And this whole system is based off of the open level and some secret math around that is symmetrical up and down from this open level. So here we have SPY, opened up, came down, and tested our what we call our burger bottom. So because it is symmetrical here, we call our open level the patty. This is our burger top and our burger bottom. I know it's a silly name, but just kind of stuck organically one day in the chat, and here we are still using it. So typically our burger bottom here is our main buy zone every single day. And so here we see that SPY opened up, came down, tested our burger bottom, and then ripped up through our burger top and up to our following beast levels. The call, of course, has a similar type of price action. Opened up, we hit here. We also chart here automatically our previous day open, so you can see that our previous burger here closed and then gives us another level for the next day. That previous open is usually a pretty big level as well. So our SPY call opens, rips up with the market, both go through our burger tops and eventually reject another beast level that we have above, and then comes back and settles near our open level as well as our previous day open level. Right at the same time, SPY here is doing exactly the same, settling on our open level. As we just wick through yet continue to reclaim and hold this open level, we are gearing up for another move higher. We did not put in a lower low. Both the call and the equity are holding up, and at the same time we are also watching this put. You know, here we opened at about 415 on SPY, so I usually like to look at big psych levels above and below. So I chose the 420 call, 5 points up, and the 410 put, 5 points down. Big money as well as retail loves to hit these bigger psychological strikes constantly. So they give us the best data to use because they have so much volume. So again, same time, our SPY here on equity bases at our open level, our call is basing at our open level, and our 410 put is actually topping out right beneath our buy zone, or right at our buy zone. after having dipped below it, so already showing some weakness. All three of these make the move and confirm to us that we're getting a nice upside move. Again, SPY takes off from our open level, the call takes off from the previous day's open level as well as the current day's open level, and the put begins to reject. Now, this was Thursday going into a Fed meeting on Friday. Powell spoke at Jackson Hole early into the session. We were rallying up until this point and got a end of day push where we pushed high of day pretty much until close. What happened? Our put pushing low of day into close settled right into our beast entry zone. This is our main buy zone for the week. Our burger bun is our intraday buy zone, so we use this every day. A lot of times our option contracts won't make it down into our beast entry zone, which is what we call as like our wholesale price for options. So this put has actually been working its way down all week, slowly but surely down to this level. We go into Friday. Powell speaks at Jackson Hole, says nothing new, but of course the market just does what it wants. And we get a little bit of turbulence start the morning, of course. Burger bottom, burger top, and a stiff rejection for the rest of the day. Our 410 put from that Thursday landed in our B zone perfectly and closed right at our buy level. Whether you swung it or not, the next day we are watching this put. We already know what we're watching the next day. So again, opens up actually right below our entry zone. Base is right here though, doesn't go much lower. And we get a rip from this put as the call then dies the next day. So our system really revolves around gauging reversals either direction based on the option premium. The price of the options will typically let us know when the equity is going to turn. But for more of that, we have more videos here in our server. You can check out the Beast Recaps channel, and we will run through our server here real quick. So if you get a subscription with us, at the very top, we made it easy, live trading. This is the main channel you're going to be using right here. We are in this channel every day, all day, trading the market. Today's a Sunday. We had a little workshop here this morning. But if I go through this right here, go to Friday, and you can see that we post in here all day charts. People post their trading ideas, and a lot of people in here post their trading ideas. And like I said a few minutes ago, we don't just we do trade alerts, but we try to focus on teaching people on identifying the setups and taking them and feeling confident in them. But we share charts in here all day. We share information in here all day, trades that we took, etc., etc. To complement our B system here, we also have another channel for alerts. So here we have not trade alerts, but what we like to call like setup alerts. So basically we have this bot lets us know when prices are arriving into these main beast entry zones right here. And we also have them for individual tickers, so you can know when any of your names are arriving into their beast zone. Here's where we distribute the Beast tool, have some instructions on how to upload it. Again, this is solely for Thinkorswim through TD Ameritrade. Definitely recommend it. If you are not a paid member and just landed in here, as most people, you will see all of this from here down. This is our main chat. Anything goes in here. I'll just go through a couple channels here real quick. Team prep, I post prep in here pretty much daily, but anyone is welcome to post prep in here. I'll do direct screenshots with a little blurb. Sometimes it's a Twitter link. You can click into it. There's more prep there, etc., etc. Another main channel here, Beast Recaps. This is a channel we push on everyone all the time. These are just previous trades that we took, trades that members took, maybe trades that we didn't take but they looked really good on our system, so we try to explain it here. Any of these videos will help you understand our system better. We definitely know that it is a fire hose of information when you walk in here, so this will help you definitely just study and break it down more and more. For our sports peep, we have a sports book here. You can place your bets, let us know. We got plenty of people in here who absolutely kill it betting on sports, so check it out. We have a stock news channel, just a couple bots in here pumping out stock news every day, all day. Definitely recommend having notifications on for this one. Stay in the loop. This is how you do well on the market. Trade screen setups, we share our setups here, whether it be actual screen, or I know some people share their desks as well somewhere up in here. Yep. You know, so anything goes in here. Questions and Beast questions, pretty self-explanatory. Any questions we'll take here. Questions specific to our system we'll take in this one, and if you have any, maybe you can find a previous question in here that will answer your current question. Earnings, just like our stock news, we have a bot pumping out earnings. Stay in the loop, y'all. Very important. Another very important channel in here, the Professor's Indicators. So all of these tools are coded here in-house. We have a couple other great tools in here for sale, very cheap. You know, our packs are $100, very cheap compared to some other services who sell tools for an insane amount of money. And I'll show you some of them here real quick. Some of our more popular ones are these squeeze clouds right here. If you all are familiar with the standard squeeze, right, we have turned them into some squeeze clouds. So you can see here we have a 2-hour squeeze, got a 30-minute squeeze, and this just kind of gives us a visualization on the actual screen of where the squeeze is and where we're going to get some support and some resistance. Another one here is these multi-time frame moving averages. So here you can see I am on a 30-minute chart, but these are daily moving averages. So this one right here is my this is my mean, the 21 exponential moving average. This is my daily 8 exponential. This is my daily 15 simple moving average. But as you can see, each day it automatically updates where it is supposed to be. So I never have to update these. I never have to look for them. They are on all my charts throughout the day, telling me exactly where these levels are. So definitely recommend going through here. We have some videos as well explaining how to upload these tools and how to use them. And from here down, we have an education section. Definitely recommend checking out every single channel in here. I started with psych because we fully believe that trading is much more psychology than it is numbers on a chart, right? So for any skill level, definitely recommend at least glazing through some of these. You will definitely learn something. And down here, we have just our welcome section. Please check out our terms and conditions. Please give this a quick read over. Hit us with an emoji down here letting us know you read it. We definitely appreciate that. Any announcements, we'll throw them in here. Trade results, pretty self-explanatory. Donations, if you like what we do, we'll take it. And our in-server store, you can upgrade your subscription here. And I'll just go through them real quick. Our basic is now free. If you are in this server, you actually already have all of these things. So we actually wiped this $10 a month. This is now included for everyone. Just trying to give back to the community here some more. Our silver access is meant as an intro package to our B system, right? So you can see here that we only give you a couple tickers where you will see all of these tools. that I was just showing you guys. The point of this is to keep you focused and to learn our system before you just go all over the playground, right? This is a lot of information. A lot of traders, options traders, that are not familiar with an option chart. Looking at a chart and seeing a call and the price of that call in candles is still very new to a lot of people, let alone us giving you a tool and putting levels all over it and trying to trade off of it. But as you get that down, we try to just work your way up through this gold and diamond. Gold, we give you a little bit more, a couple more names. These names will be changing over time. We've had a lot of stock splits recently. Depending on the caliber of the name, we try to put it into an appropriate subscription level. Eventually you get the diamond, and anything you ask for, we'll give it to you if beast is available. Our beast system does require volume, and if you trade options, you know that you require some ATR, right? We need a name to actually move a lot within a day to give us some good moves in options. So yeah, definitely check out our store here, and if you have any questions, of course, please feel free to send us a message, contact us however, and we will get back to you and work with you to see how you can fit in here. But alright, we'll catch y'all in the chat. Please enjoy our server, ask us any questions, and we'll catch you later.